16 Haziran 2023'te New York eyaletinde sıradan bir trafik durdurması, saniyeler içinde silahlı bir çatışmaya dönüştü. Saatte 160 kilometrenin üzerinde hız yapan bir aracı durduran eyalet polisi Richard Albert, araca yaklaşır yaklaşmaz vuruldu ve olay yerinde çatışma çıktı. Omzundan yaralanmasına rağmen takibe devam etti ve yaşananlar zincirleme bir kazaya, kaçış girişimlerine ve ormanlık alanda son bulan ölümcül bir kovalamacaya dönüştü.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Milepost 108, shots fired! G64, I need assistance. Shots fired, milepost 108. Three G64, shots fired.
1113.
3G64 contact, shots fired. I'm hitting the arm. Milepost 108.
Contact 3G64.
3G64, shots fired. Milepost 108, town of Dwaynesburg. One black male, one white female. Fleeing west to eastbound.
Eastbound, shots fired, mile marker 108. Stage of a black male fleeing the scene there.
Affirmative, they just hijacked the vehicle. It's immobile because it was in a collision. It's a Ford pickup. Get down!
Ford pickup fleeing from the scene, hijacked vehicle. 3G64, are you secure?
Negative! Not in custody. I'm hitting the arm. Put your hands up!
14.
Put your hands up! Get out of the vehicle! Get out of the vehicle!
Contact 3G22, 3G23.
Get out of the vehicle!
15 IG13.
Put your hands up and get out of the vehicle! Now!
3G22, 3G23.
Get out of the vehicle!
3G22, I need to start I-88 eastbound, mile marker 108. I have a trooper involved shooting.
Be advised, they're still shooting. Put your hands up and get out of the vehicle!
2-2 and 2-3, believe I am still in an active situation. Shots still being fired.
Get out of the vehicle! Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Shots fired.
Put your hands up and get out of the vehicle! Put your hands up!
No further. The caller stated that he got into an accident on 88 and somebody shot at it.
We're excited. Any assistance or anything?
We're going to contact
3G64, Scary, I need assistance. Shots fired. Milepost 108. It's going to be the town of Dwaynesburg.
Square, any available?
Put your hands up!
98, Dwaynesburg.
Copy. 173, Gary, copy en route.
Put your hands up!
Crazy.
Private gauges. Flat 1510.
Crazy.
Put your hands up and get out of the vehicle!
71.
71.
6-4 Scary, be advised I'm hitting the left arm. Put your hands up!
CSV to 641118.
For DOT and also the way.
I can know speed to 64 is the wall to make just got hit the right arm.
3G64, all eastbound traffic is stopped due to a collision. I have the suspects hold down in a vehicle they tried to obtain from the collision and it's immobile. They're inside actively shooting. Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Thank you, 491.
Put your hands up! 3G64 ComSec.
3G64.
The shooter is on foot, fleeing into the wood line, south of I-88. Gonna need aviation and a canine. Put your hands up! Stand up!
South of I-88 at 1119.
He's gonna be wearing, I believe, jean shorts or running shorts and a black hoodie. He's armed with a silver handgun.
He's wearing running shorts and a black hoodie, silver handgun, 1120. SP ComSec, units en route to I-88, eastbound, mile marker 108. For Trooper Albert,
Turn around!
gunman has fled the scene on foot, southbound of the interstate to the wood line. Describing as a black male, wearing running shorts, a black hoodie, armed with a silver handgun.
Six-4 ComSec. Do I got anybody else coming or what?
Boy, that's affirmative. You have multiple units en route to you.
Be advised, I am shot in the right arm. Correction, left arm.
update is the suspect is a black male wearing running shorts and a black hoodie. Fled southbound of the interstate into the wood line. Is armed with a silver handgun.
Where'd your partner go?
Contact 3G64. Are you able to apply a tourniquet to your arm?
I'll attempt to. I got one in custody right now. Driver still fled.
One of the suspects is in custody at 1121. SP contact 5G320.
Keep your hands up. Put them on top of your head if you have to. If you put them down, you will get shot.
5G320, update from last. One suspect is in custody. The driver is armed with a handgun. Fled the scene southbound from the interstate into the wood line.
Body one subject in custody.
3G21, you're out at 1122. Advise when seen secure for EMS.
I don't know where he went. Black male went up and over. I think it's too high for a tourniquet.
Black nails up and over?
Black male, black hoodie.
Check 5G.
Get your rifle, get your rifle. I think it's too high, man. I don't know. That fucking tractor trailer rear-ended this pickup.
Memur Richard, uzun ve acı dolu 12 dakikanın ardından takviye ekiplerin gelmesiyle derin bir nefes alıyor ve olay yerine gelen ekipler kontrolü ele alıyor.
Ready?
3G64, Seçi's been shot in the arm. He's trying to apply a tourniquet this time. We just had one suspect in custody. One has fled the scene. He is armed.
Oh, man. They didn't fucking lie when they said it hurt.
That's all units responding once again.
Tight, bro.
That's tight, dude.
Eastbound, mile marker 108 is the scene. One suspect fled the scene. Southbound from the interstate.
Hey, let him know tourniquet's on.
Described as a black male wearing a black hoodie and running shorts. His arms with a silver handgun.
I think I hit him. I don't know. I saw him drop like 3 times.
Mill Road, LS 3415.
Which way did he go?
He went
5G 324.
that sage bush. He went straight up
And
then
1123.
into the woods that way.
Unseen, advise when secure for EMS. They are staging. Once the unit deployed.
I'm gonna go back to the cars.
Go, you bud. Come on, buddy. You got the tourniquet on. Yeah. Go on. Okay. 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 Here, buddy. In the car. You got a tourniquet on, buddy? Get this fucking seat up.
I'm good.
I'm gonna have
3. Any units are 988 and responding. Head to the area of the evidence contact. The area is
All right.
He's good, I got him.
Black male, black hoodie, shorts. He ran literally straight in from where she is. He went straight that way.
Straight in where she
I don't know if I hit him or not, but he dropped like 3 times.
Yeah, black male, black hoodie, directly in the south of Woodline where the female is currently standing.
You're good.
Respond to exit 24. Exit 24 will meet you there.
Slide in, we're gonna fucking
Put him in the car and go. Go with them. Go with them. Stay with them. Okay.
Here, I got it. We're good. You stay here. We're good. Yeah, we're good.
My car's down there unsecured.
Doesn't care.
Oh, 2. Where do they think
Big radio.
3 report.
I already got
Dude, you're not going to be able to get back if you're going to Ellis.
Where's the next night? Yeah. What car are you in? 3G22. 3G22.
330.
Alright, Rick. Stay calm.
Get off.
3G22 ComSec. This is Shield 34 and 5. 5G324. We are en route with Trooper Albert back to exit. We already got a relay point set up. Be advised.
3G40 on scene at 1125.
En route back to exit 24 with the casualty.
fucking tourniquet's hurting more than a gunshot.
I'll get through it. I see it. Exit 24, you said, right?
Yeah.
State Police, I copy. You're headed to the point, exit 24.
Correct. Have EMS there.
All right, so the silver Honda Pilot was what they were driving, and they pulled over and started shooting, and somebody else stopped, and then a pickup truck stopped because he saw
We're
a
attempting to helicopter in the air, yeah.
trailer rear-ended the pickup, and then the pickup went down the road, and they hijacked it from that fucking, the owner
Precinct
pulled him out of it,
3309, one in custody, 1126.
pulled him out of it,
Okay.
and then it was immobile.
Yaşanan bu olayda polis memuru Albert, omzundan yaralanmasına ve sürekli ateş altında kalmasına rağmen görevinden geri adım atmadı. Soğukkanlılığını koruyarak telsizle ekipleri yönlendirdi ve kamu güvenliğini sağlamak için çatışmayı sürdürdü. Kaçmaya çalışan şüphelilerin önü, olaya tanık olan bir tır sürücüsünün cesur müdahalesiyle kesildi. Buna rağmen şüpheliler kazaya karışmış bir aracı silah zoruyla gasp ederek yeniden kaçmaya çalıştı. Takip ormanlık alanda sona erdi. Silahlı saldırgan kendine ateş ederek hayatına son verirken yanında bulunan kadın teslim olarak gözaltına alındı. Amerikan Eyalet Polisleri Birliği, New York Eyalet Polisi mensubu polis memuru Richard Albert'i 2024 yılında ulusal düzeyde yılın polis memuru olarak onurlandırdı. Peki bu olay hakkında siz ne düşünüyorsunuz? Görüşlerinizi yorumlarda paylaşmayı unutmayın. Gerçek olayları kaçırmamak için kanala abone olmayı ve videoyu beğenmeyi ihmal etmeyin. Hoşça kalın.